We're fishing here at Burts Dam. Turbines are off. Not very many people compared to normal. We got hookups here. Got a double header going on. This is the youngster in the bunch. Got him his first salmon. It's giving him hell. Oh, there's a brown trout. All right. Youngster still got his salmon on. He's doing battle. The battle's raging. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Nope. Let's see what he's got going on here. There he is. Woo, that's a big one. Bill's a horrible netter. It's all right. So they're backing him up so they can get the fish in the net. Because the fish isn't going to give up. Fish is coming right to me. So we got the youngster here. Oh, the fish about took me out there. Oh, there he goes. He's running in between everybody. All right. That's what happens there. It's a monster. It's a biggie. Oh, here he comes after me. Oh, had to kick back a little bit. He's giving him hell. And there's Bill waiting. Oh boy, here comes the fish back again. He's making his rounds. Oh, there we go. Nice big king. And that's all she wrote for that one. We'll catch some more.